truck front windshield installation. Before we begin installing, remove rear view mirror and use tint solution to clean the inside window and surrounding areas from dust and grime. Squeegee away all liquid. Clean the outside windshield as well. This will give you a clean surface for heat shrinking the tint film. Time to get your pre-cut window tint film out. After spraying the front windshield with tint solution, lay the tint film on the entire surface of the window. You can use your squeegee to help flatten the film. Cut off excess window tint film to allow heat shrinking to be more easy. Use a heat gun set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and apply heat 4 inches away to shrink film and mold the tint film onto the glass with the squeegee. For any bubbles or fingers that appear, simply use heat gun and squeegee away. Do not stay in the same spot for more than 5 seconds. Remove all liquid in between the glass and tint film as you use the heat gun. Once heat shrinking is complete, partially remove the protective liner from both sides and generously spray tint solution. Place protective liner back onto the window tint. Roll up the window tint film. Unroll the window tint film inside the vehicle on the dashboard. Remove the protective liner and spray more tint solution on the adhesive side, followed by the entire clean front windshield. You can place a clean microfiber on the dashboard to soak up any water and protect electronics. Next, begin to place tint film onto the front windshield glass on one end. Be patient and gentle, especially if you are on your own. Start at one half and then continue on to the other. Be generous with your tint solution as it'll help you align the tint film in place. Align the tint film properly so that the fitment is right over the dot matrix. Double check to see that the window tint fitment is good. Spray tint solution on tint film. This will make the squeegee glide across the film without scratching. First squeegee down the middle vertically and then horizontally. Next, squeegee away all liquid and bubbles to their closest edge. Repeat this process until all liquid and bubbles are removed. Use heat gun set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and apply heat around the edges of the window film. This will help mold the tint film onto the window. Wipe area dry with a microfiber towel. Allow up to 6 days for the window tint to fully cure. Installation complete. Thank you for watching.